Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here, and we have come to the point where I have got to replace this mower, and I have found one on Marketplace. We're going to go look at it and potentially pick it up. This has been a good mower. It's a Gravely 2552. It's a 52-inch cut, 25 horsepower Collier engine. I've had it for probably, I guess, 15 years at least. It's been a good mower. I've had some trouble with it as of late. Not wanting to start once in a while. I may have gotten those worked out. I put a new starter solenoid on it, and that seems to have helped. But we're going to go look at this 60-inch Toro mower now and see if we can't replace this guy. Maybe get this one sold and get a new one in here. So hang tight. We'll get rolling here. All right, we're going to get the girl hooked up to Lon's trailer. So that's what we're going to get now.
Stay there, put it on.
All right, let's get this stuff off of here. Okay, I think we're good to go here. All right, let's get on the road and get this mower picked up and get back home. Okay, I picked up the mower. Well, I'm here to pick up the mower. Here it is. I'm about to get it loaded on the trailer there. So that's what I'm going to do now. But a very clean machine. It's a 2001 model Toro. I test drove it. It tested good, so let's get loaded. Hang tight. We'll get going. Okay, we're going to back this on, and we're going to put this tarp down and wrap it up in this tarp. He was nice enough to give me a tarp. So we'll get it backed up on here, get it strapped down, get back on the road. Okay, I think we're locked and loaded. All right, let me get it home and we'll talk more about it. Okay, it's actually the next day, and we got the mower home last night. I don't have the truck hooked up right now because I had to take it to work today. So we're gonna get the truck hooked back up, pull the trailer out so I can get the mower off the trailer here. So hang tight. Let me. So the guy I bought this from on Marketplace, a real nice guy. His name is Rob. Lives up in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Real nice guy. Very well taken care of machine. All the maintenance done to it. So I test drove it while I was there. It started and ran good. I ran it up in he's got some hills too, and so that was the main reason why I'm replacing mine is because of the. Well, that's not, that doesn't come off. That was the main reason I was getting it, is get a bigger machine for going up and down our hills here on the property. So hopefully this will answer that mail, and we can have some better success there. This is wet. I'm gonna leave that out so it dries. Rob was nice enough to give me this tarp to put on there. I did not think I was going to need one, but I didn't think it was going to rain. But it did. We'll get it down, but here it is. It is a Toro 60-inch time cutter machine, and it's got a Toro motor on it. It doesn't have the Collier motor, which is the Collier's what I've got on my mower. So I was glad to see that it had a different motor on here, so that's good. It's got good tires on it. It's got almost a full tank of gas. We'll get the trailer hooked up here and we'll get it moved out and started and go from there. Okay, so the way he said we need to start it is make sure the arms are out, choke is up, full throttle he said, and then turn the throttle off when it starts. So here it is. So it's a 24.5 horsepower Toro motor. That's a real clean machine. It's only got 152 hours on it. So I think I did good. It's a little bit bigger than mine. Mine's a 52-inch cut. This is a 60-inch cut. So yeah, it's got 3 different speeds. It's got slow, trailer, and fast speed. It's got your deck height adjustment here. He's put a new belt on it, but he also gave me an extra belt. So really clean system. So I'm happy with it. Hopefully we'll get a good cut on it here soon. But yeah, let me see if it actually has a cup holder that my cup will fit in. I don't know, this looks like it's in the way. This cup holder, I can never get my big cups in there in my other one. So I don't know, we'll see. At least it's got a place for your phone or something, I guess. Yeah. I did get a box of stuff with it too. I think it's stuff for an oil change, filter, I got the manual with it, extra belt, extra those wheels. He gave those to me, so yeah. All right. Let me get the trailer back up to Ron, get this out of here, and I'll check back in with you in a little bit. I'm excited. My cup holder fits. Okay, I'm not mowing, but I just want to see how this is going to do on these hills up here. I don't know if you can tell how much of an elevation change that is, but that's pretty considerable. So we're going to see how this thing comes up the hill. Now, it has rained a little bit, so it may not be a true test because I don't have dry grass, but I want to see how it does, nevertheless. So we're gonna bring it up here. There it is. Then we're gonna go up here. You can see that elevation change there. It's gonna be similar to my other one, I think. Not the best on hills. May feel a little bit more stable going sideways though, which is good. Yeah, it does feel a little more stable going sideways. This is wider, so I'm gonna have to remember that. Oh, seat pushed back on me. What that's about. Well, I think overall it's going to be better. It starts. That's an improvement. My other one is doing better now. I changed the starter solenoid on it, so it does start better. But this is a 60-inch, so it's 6 more inches than the other one. I'm going to have to remember that when I'm up here around the garden bed because I already hit the plastic chute over there on the side. So, but I think it did maybe just a little bit better on these hills. That's quite a steep hill there. So I don't know much more than I can ask for. The seat moved back on me, so I don't know what that was about. I'll have to find out where the adjustment is and lock that in. But I think overall, I think it's going to be a good upgrade to my Gravely mower. So I'm okay with it. So I think this is where we're going to end this video. Thanks for coming along with me the past couple of days, picking this up, and hopefully we'll get to mow maybe here later this weekend. Right now, it really doesn't need it, but it will soon. So we'll catch you next time on Rolling Country Outdoors. Y'all have a good evening. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison of the two. That's my original one, Gravely, 2552 XL. This is a Toro Time Cutter 6000 is what this is. About the same size motors. That's a Toro motor, and that's a this is a Collier 25 horsepower motor. I just put a new solenoid on the starter. I was having some troubles with that, but yeah, now you can kind of see the difference. 54-inch deck on the Gravely, 60-inch on the Toro. Sets a little bit higher. The seat's a little more comfortable. Other than that, well, they're both good machines. I'm going to get this one cleaned up. I've got new blades for it. I got a new belt for it. I'm going to get it cleaned up, and I'll sell that. I don't need 2 riding lawnmowers, so we'll get that one sold, and we'll put this one to use probably this weekend. So here we go.